I wanted to take a minute and just show you how to check the model. If you're in ChatGPT, you'll see at the top, sometimes in the center of the screen, sometimes it's off to the left, depending on what you have. This allows you to close this sidebar, and so it may look like this. But if you've got the sidebar open, then it will probably look like this, and that'll show you what model you're using. You can click this drop down, and it will show you which model you're actually using. If you've got a upgraded plan like Pro, you'll have these legacy models available as well. But in the free version, I believe you're going to see this. All the models should have access to GPT-5. The other thing that you could do is when you're clicking and you put something in, if you click this, this will allow you to come down and pick different modes, and you could decide what you want connected, how you want it to work, deep research. I don't know if all that's available on the free model. And then if you want to do a temporary chat where it's not kept in your memory, you could just click that up in the right hand corner, this little dotted circle, and that will make a temporary chat, and you just click it to turn it off. That's in ChatGPT. If you're using Claude, Claude normally has this where you can actually come down. You're on the Claude screen. If you go to claude.ai and you're in a new chat, you could come over here, and this drop down allows you to pick which version, which model you're using, and then some of the other models, the older models that are there. Then the last one is Perplexity. On Perplexity, it's a little bit more subtle. When you're in Perplexity and you're near this chat window, just come down here and you'll see these icons. This icon, if you click that, it's going to allow you to choose the model, and it'll give you some different options on choosing the model. So hopefully that will help. And if you have any questions, just let me know.